Feeling overwhelmed by teaching physics? Physics in a Box makes it easy. Each box includes detailed instructions and all the materials you need. No prior science experience required. Empower yourself and your child to explore the wonders of physics together. Plus, we offer informative sessions to answer your questions and provide ongoing support. So discover how Physics in a Box makes homeschooling physics a breeze. And please visit our website for more information or email Gary Tripp in the description below for more inquiries.